Has your roof been damaged by a recent storm? Don't make the mistake of just having any roofer to fix it. At Landmark Roofing, we specialize in storm damage repairs.
Here's why you should choose us over outside roofers. Our highly skilled team of experienced roofers knows how to assess storm damage accurately and provide a reliable solution. We use only top quality materials and advanced tools to ensure long-lasting repairs that withstand any future storms. Our track record speaks for itself. We've helped countless homeowners restore their roofs to their pre-storm condition. When it comes to storm damage, don't settle for outside roofers. Choose Landmark Roofing.
Your trusted local partner for exceptional storm damage repairs. Contact us today for a free consultation and let us restore your roof.